Assalamualaikum, I'm Hamza, the Scien-Twist, and welcome to my laboratory. Today I'm going to show you an experiment in which I'm going to make raisins dance. Now all of you know that raisins normally don't dance because they're not alive. But today I'm going to make them dance. For this experiment you will need a container, vinegar, baking powder and raisins. The container should be spacious and big. To start off the experiment, we half fill the container with vinegar. Then after that, I put in raisins in the jar half filled with vinegar. Put in about 10 to 20 raisins. Look, now these raisins are not dancing. But how we make it dance is, the secret behind this is by then putting in baking powder. Once it settles down, you will see that some raisins are moving up and down. Did you see that? Few of them went up. They're even moving from side to side. This happens because when baking powder and vinegar react, carbon dioxide is produced, and carbon dioxide pushes the raisins up, makes them move in a manner as if it's a convection current. This is a home experiment that I wanted to show you, and you'll need a lot more vinegar if you want it to happen quickly. If you leave it for a couple of minutes or even an hour, it'll keep on happening. Remember, you must have an adult supervising you, and always ask an adult before using their vinegar. This is the Scien-Twist signing out.